So the next step is adding the board underneath. Since I didn't paint the whole thing, make sure, if you paint the whole thing, it shouldn't matter. But I didn't paint all 4 sides, so I put that one side that's going to cover it, and we line it up with the pegboard. It should be, these holes should be aligned in the middle of the wood, so you would have to kind of try to line it to the middle, because that's where you're going to screw in the screws. So we're going to go ahead and do them. The screws. And make sure you have the middle one in there too, just so that you know that you leave enough width from both sides. And the screws, I'll show you which ones are the ones I bought. Where'd the screws go? Oh yeah, totally forgot I bought the huge box. So these are the kind of screws I bought. They're for drywall screws, and they're 1 inch by 8. And so you're just gonna distribute them evenly on the board. So for these, Gilberto creo que tiene una.